Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to do an image search on Temu. So maybe if you've seen a product and you don't know, the actual name of the product and you want to get the product on Temu, then this video is for you. Yeah, so if you don't know the name, don't worry. You can still get to buy the product. So open your Temu app. Open your Temu app and you realize the search bar there. There is a camera icon. Okay, there's a camera icon beside the search button. So tap on the camera icon, tap on it. Yeah. And you'll be having something like this, depending on the type of device that you are using. So you can just take a picture of the item that you want to search, or you can select it from your album or gallery, anything. So let me just search, select from gallery. Okay, so select the item, okay, and wait patiently as the item is being uploaded. Okay, so you realize in here, this is the item that I uploaded in here. So be patient. The app will scan the image and trying to see if any of the item is available. So as you can see in here, the scanning has been done and Timu has come up with, same product that, and you realize in here, Timu has come up with, the same product that I wanted. So you can realize in here, the image and this image, they are the same. The product that I want, they are the same as the one that Timu has provided. Yeah, so that's how simple and easy it is. So if you don't know the name of a product or anything, don't worry. Just image search on Timu. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, give a sweet comment. And don't forget, I have a Timu playlist for you where you can go there and get to know more about Timu Online Shopping. So see you in the next video.